One of the biggest benefits of using a CRM like Dubsado is that all of your information for your clients and projects all lands in one place. We start that process out with using a lead capture form in Dubsado. So when someone inquires with you, they fill out a form and it populates a file for them within your system. All of your emails and forms and communications, proposals, contracts, questionnaires, all of that then ends up inside that same file from your lead capture form. So how do we get people to fill out that lead capture form in the first place? Well, we're going to embed it on your Showit website. I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to get that lead capture form on your Showit site so that everyone's landing into your Dubsado CRM when they are inquiring with you. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to get started here in Dubsado first. We're going to go into our templates and we're going into our forms. Now, this is just a dummy account that I have, so there's not any personalized lead capture forms in here, but we're going to just use one that I've got there, the sample one. So the great thing about using Dubsado is that you can aesthetically match your branding from your CRM and your site all together. So everything looks cohesive for your clients. With the contact form that you're embedding in particular, I like to make sure that my fonts match, and you're going to do it here under form styling. I also, for example, sometimes I have a black background or a dark background website, and I can change the font color to be a light color or a bright color so that you can see it on that dark background. For this example, I'm just going to use a dark one, and we're going to leave everything the same. Actually, let's just play changing the font there so you can kind of see what the styling looks like. From there, you can also change what the submit button says. Send is fine in this example. We just want the basic questions on this lead capture form. So I'm going to save form. And then I'm going to go here to on the left-hand side of the screen to the sharing option, click that. And this embed code is what we need. So I'm going to click to copy. It is copied to my clipboard, ready for me to use. So then I'm going to go over to my tab for Showit. This is going to be my get in touch contact page. With this, what I want to do is make sure that I have a canvas that has like the static information, get in touch. I like to have an actual email address here just in case something's wrong with the form or in case someone doesn't want to use the form. I want to make sure that they have that information as well as my location, maybe business hours, just a few different things that it's a good idea to have on your contact page. So we'll have all of that in this top canvas, and then we're going to make a canvas just for the embed form. I want to make sure that this canvas is set to canvas type, grow with content. And then I'm going to select this bottom middle box and do an embed code. And when you click on that, over to the right, you'll have the embed info, and you'll use this custom code box and go ahead and just paste what we have from Dubsado and save. That form will then populate into that box for us. Now, it looks kind of funny, right? Like it doesn't quite line up how it should. So I'm going to adjust and it's going to look funny because I have this so zoomed out back in. It does align properly. I like to keep this canvas as grow with content so that the content from the form has room to grow and you can see every bit of it. So I'm going to click publish and close, and we're going to preview that page here. And you can see that the whole form is showing up. You can click here to see the full preview, and you can see that the form then shows up there too. Okay, so that is how we're going to get our Dubsado form into Showit so that every time someone inquires with us, those leads end up in our CRM and we can manage all of the client's information in one file. If you found this helpful, please subscribe below and you'll be able to see more content here that helps creative business owners just like you with tech and different things to grow your business. Thank you.